Hello everyone, welcome to FourStack Development. Today we are going to discuss about whether the given input string is a palindrome or not in Java. So how do you consider a string is a palindrome or not? Suppose you have an input string. So and how if you reverse that string, so both input string and the reverse strings are equal, then we can consider it as palindrome. Consider example apple. Okay, if I reverse this one, so both the input string and the reverse strings are not equal. So that means this is not a palindrome. So suppose if I take another example, madam, and if I reverse that one, so both the input string and the reverse strings are equal. So this is, we can consider it as palindrome. Okay. I will explain two ways how we can check a input string is a palindrome or not. The first way, reverse the input string and compare both input and reversed strings. So if both are equal, then we can conclude it as palindrome. The second way, store the input string into string buffer or string builder. Okay, and compare the first half of characters with the second half. That is, it should be in reverse actually. That is, so the first character of string buffer has to be compared with the last character of the string buffer, and the second character of the string buffer has to be compared with n-1 character. This process has to be continued till we compare all the characters in string buffer. Okay, this is the way. So let me go and code in Eclipse. So I have created one class called string palindrome. So and I will create one method is palindrome. Okay, and it will accept string as a parameter. So as of now, I will return false. Okay. The first way. So I will code for the first way. That is by reversing the string. Okay. I will take one local variable as reversed string. I will assign it to empty. Okay. I will loop through the string, the input string. Here actually, I am iterating through the each character of string. That is from the end character to the starting character of the string, and I will pick each character at the time, and I will append it to the reverse string. Okay, that's the code we have written here. After reversing it, so we can actually check it is reversed or not. So for that one, I will print. Okay. I'll print the reversed string also. Okay. So I have printed them, and I will compare both the strings. If the original string is equal to the reverse string, if the original string is equal to the reverse string, then it will return true. That means it is a palindrome. Otherwise, it will return false. That is, it is not a palindrome. So I will check actually. Let me execute this code and I will check whether it's providing the proper results or not. Okay. So I have created one object of this class and I will call that is palindrome method using apple. You can see apple and the reverse string also you got elppa and it is returning false. That is, it's not a palindrome. So if I do madam, so it will return true as well. So this is the first way. So let me go and check in the second way. Okay. Storing, that's a character compare. First, I will store the input string into string buffer. And to compare each characters, actually, I need two pointers. That is the starting index. That's a start index equal to 0, and one end index, and it will point to str.length, the end character actually. So here actually I will iterate to the string equal to 0, I less than or equal to str.length by 2. So I will iterate through only half of the string. So that means if we compare the half, actually it will be compared with the second half actually. So if whatever the character string buffer dot caret start index, sorry, character start index equal to caret end index. If it is equal, then I need to compare the next character. So that way I will increase the pointers and I will decrease the end pointer actually. So I will increase the start pointer and I will decrease the end pointer. Otherwise, that means if characters are not equal. So I need to break the loop and I need to come out of it. So before breaking the loop, actually, I will set one boolean value is not equal to false actually. Okay. And this boolean value is not equal to true. First, I will assign it to true. If it is not equal, I will reassign it to false. So after completing this one, actually, I will come out and I will return this is not equal. Okay, that's it. Actually. So let me go and run this code. Yeah, it's for the madam, it's returning true. That is, it's a palindrome. So if I do apple, it will return false. So this is the second way. Okay. This is the second way. Now I have done the coding actually. So for a sake of interview and for developers usage actually. So I will go and create the test cases for this unit test cases for this class actually. So let me create the unit test case actually. So I am using JUnit 5. I need to initialize this one. initialize this object. Okay. Palindrome. So, and I need to annotate it is before all. So before all is an attraction actually in JUnit. So it has to, sorry, this has to be in static. So static has to be initialized by the static one, because before all works on the static methods, and it will do whatever the pre-configuration that has to be done before running all the test cases. That's what I have taken this string palindrome object as static, and I have initializing with a static method in the static method. Actually. So let me go and create one test case, public void. So let me take is palindrome. Test underscore is palindrome. Okay, underscore one. I will take it down. For that one, so I will assert equals what is the expected one. So that is, I am expecting a true value, that is boolean dot true. And so what is the actual value? The actual value we get it from is palindrome and madam. So you can consider. So madam is a palindrome and it should return the true. So it should be equal. So this is one test case. For the reverse one, so I will use one more test case, public void test underscore is palindrome underscore 2 that equals false value we need to get, and object dot is palindrome. So this is the test case. So I need to check apple is not a palindrome and it should return a false. So let me run the test case. So you are getting the test cases are possible. So if I reverse that one, so let me check. So I have done this one actually. The test case will fail. Yeah. So is palindrome 1 is failing because apple is not a palindrome and it's returning false, but we are expecting true. So that means the test case will fail. So writing test case actually good, and it will check whether your whatever that code has been written, so it's not breaking by any other persons, that we in the future if he changes, that will not break, that it should not break actually. So and it will also provide the code coverage for your whatever the code you have been written. So that's it actually. So that's it friends. So please do like, subscribe, and share with your friends and colleagues. So I will be updating more videos on as a part of Java interviews actually. So please do subscribe for the new videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.